If you're experiencing connection errors while playing Fortnite, optimizing your connection can help improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and enhance your connection. Step 1. Check your internet speed. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. Use the speed test tool to measure your download and upload speeds. Ideally, you should have at least 3 Mbps download and 1 Mbps upload for smooth gameplay. Step 2. Restart your router. Power cycling your router can resolve many connectivity issues. Unplug your router from the power source, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This can help refresh your connection and clear any temporary glitches. Step 3. Use a wired connection. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired Ethernet connection. This can significantly reduce latency and improve stability, as wired connections are generally more reliable than wireless. Step 4. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications or devices that may be using your internet bandwidth. Programs like streaming services, downloads, or other online games can consume bandwidth and affect your Fortnite connection. Step 5. Adjust network settings. Access your router settings and prioritize gaming traffic by enabling quality of service (QoS) features if available. Additionally, ensure that your firewall or antivirus software is not blocking Fortnite. You may need to whitelist the game in your security settings. By following these steps, you should be able to optimize your connection and reduce errors while playing Fortnite. Enjoy your gaming.